Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I'm doing a journal share this morning. This is a journal that I've made for a private swap, and this is with Susanna from Vintage Blend Studio. I think that's right, Susanna. I will double check and put the link down below. I entered Susanna's giveaway. I sent her a tag. Well, it's not a giveaway really, a sort of tag swap, I suppose. And Susanna suggested a journal swap, and I was very happy to do that. She makes amazing journals, and she asked me to do something English and cottagey. So I've used Mrs Cog's I think it's called Chores at Country Cottages, and this is also then doubling up as a design team project for Mrs Cog. I've used all of these images from the set, and I'll show you the journal. There is let's do it like this. So it's about, I think it's about 6 by 7.5. 2 1/4 inch spine. It's a bit of a tassel on the back, which I'll show you in a minute. 4 signatures, and it's quite full. So this is a separate tassel, and this is made following a little tutorial by Shabby Tabby Studios. I'll put her link below as well. So there's a boho bead mixed in there for Susanna. And then if we go inside, this is just sari silk, fabric over chipboard. So we've got a pocket, and I've used, she asked for the country cottages and she asked for some Tim Holtz papers. So I've turned it into what I think of as a country cottage garden themed journal. So I've got stenciling, tea-dyed papers, book pages. This is one of the images from the set that I've made into a pocket, and a little collage tag there. This is a pocket tag using another image from the set. I've decorated some of the pockets with labels from a Tracy Fox kit. So most of the book pages, there is a few different ones, but most of them are botanical type book pages. This little top loading tuck spot, I've just put some vintage pages in there. This is about the mole. You can find those in the garden. And a page about England from an old encyclopedia. These are some marbled papers that I bought like that. So in this one we've got, I've held everything in with paper clips. So we've got the cottage and a little tag and a vintage postcard. Each of the first pages has got a tab with a little charm on it. Bag in a couple of the signatures, and I've used some floral, some little tiny collages, really, little corner collages. This is a glassine bag that I've collaged on, and there's a tag in there. This is from Nick the Booksmith, one of her book pages. I hope Susanna likes this. I quite liked how it turned out in the end. It's almost harder doing a swap journal than anything else, I think. This is from 1903, vintage postcard. This is another paper bag with a this is a receipt not a genuine one, a copy, printed on fine thin paper, so that's really nice. This is a larger journal card and a fabric pocket. This is the same as the cover, and I've just pinned a little charm onto that. Ledger paper, some more book pages, photographs this time. This is just stitched and stuck on. So there's a top corner pocket, and this is from an old tea card album. This is an envelope. I've had a go at a bit of envy art. It's an old vintage envelope. It's a collage tag. I can hear somebody coming into the house, so I'm not on my own anymore, so I might get interrupted in a moment. You can see there's quite a lot in this journal that could be taken out if you want it to be thinner, Susanna, and to add your own things into it. And in this last pocket there's a library card and another vintage postcard, and that's the back cover. Thank you all very much for joining me, and I'll see you all again soon.